Call me King Ho Copy. 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 Yeah, man. I'm like smooth people talking. Nobody is my body. We freaking this ain't cheating as long as we tell nobody. Tell your girls you leave and I'll meet you in the lobby. I'm so cold. Yeah, you know how tired. Show me, baby. I'm a wild boy. You tryna tame me, baby. Two way I get it from the house. Can you keep me faithful? Got a lot of girls, got a lot of flavor. That's why when I hear them, they on me to return the favor. Yeah, I hear what you're saying, but hear it, babe. Then you can rip it to the point where I'm screaming your name. Said I'm trying to get your clothes off. From what I'm seeing, you look so soft. It's so bragging what I'm going on. Say you go right, I just don't fall off. This ain't cheating as long as we tell nobody. Tell your girls you leave and I'll meet you in the lobby. I'm so cold, and you that hot time. Yeah. I'm a choosy lover. I pick 'em out. Talk a lot of shit. I hope it's good and she putting out. Yeah, you fancy, huh? I'm trying to pull you out. She is a lot of girls standing around. She said, you're quick, you're the best. And I only want the best. So I said, I ain't gonna be here long, girl. I'm trying to get you home and get your clothes off. Ski, the couple off and then your doze off. You claiming it's better weather if I took it off. Say you go right, I just don't fall off. Can you show me, babe? Ooh, you got me like I'm like cool people talking. Nobody is my hobby. You freaking this ain't cheating as long as we tell nobody. Take your girls you leave and I'll meet you in the lobby. I'm so cold, yeah, you got hot tired. Pick all it is my hobby. So much